Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, finally that a topic I had discussed before is becoming a reality in Canada. So as of now, the government of Quebec is a province in Canada, we all know, has confirmed that it is going ahead with vaccination passport. Although they are yet to release the details about like how it will be and what are the activities that would require it, and but of course like high risk activities like gym, theaters and all would require this vaccination passport. It will be also very interesting to see how it really works out because it's not such a simple thing. I mean, let me tell you what happens in Quebec. In Quebec, you get a QR code. Now, when somebody is scanning the QR code, what information it shows on the other screen, and there's a matter of privacy and other things as well. In Ontario, we get a print slip and also an email, so that is not really hard to, make first copy. So first of all, I think the government would be focused to do something that protects privacy and other piece of information, and also that makes sure that it cannot be forged easily. And this will definitely encourage some unvaccinated people to go ahead and book their shots. But yes, they have confirmed because they have been seeing some rise in cases. Some rise in cases in Ontario is also coming, although it is way lower than the peak of the wave. But yes, the thing that is problematic in Ontario is like the vaccination speed has been reduced significantly. Like at one time, we were about hitting 300,000 dosages a day. Nowadays, we are around 60, 70,000 dosages a day, where most of the dosages are for the second dose people. More than 80% people, in fact 81 if I'm not wrong, eligible people have already got their first dose, and more than 70% of the eligible population have got their both the dosages. So definitely this 70 will reach 80, but the remaining those who have got one dose. But the challenge would be like from 81 to 100, how we are going to get those 19% people to book a slot or do something about their vaccination. We'll see it down the line. Well, when it comes to Ontario, our government, our Honorable Premier Mr. Doug Ford has already said that he wouldn't implement this, although there has been recommendations. But things change drastically based on the situation. Basically, Quebec doesn't want to do widespread lockdown and close businesses in order to save the economy. So that is why they are going to do this targeted approach to help businesses run if the cases soar and they go like very high. So we'll see this down the line how this is working in Quebec, and also how this turns out in other provinces as well. So thanks for watching, guys.